In this video, I'll guide you through how to create subscription preferences pages in HubSpot. Whether you're managing customer communications or tailoring marketing efforts, setting up a subscription preferences page can be a game changer. It allows your contacts to choose what kind of content they want to receive from you, which can significantly enhance engagement and satisfaction. Let's dive into the process and make it straightforward for you. First off, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look towards the top navigation bar. There you'll see a little gear icon which represents your settings. So go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your HubSpot account, and it's where we'll begin our journey today. Once you've clicked on the settings icon, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. From here, navigate to the section titled Objects. This section is essential as it houses all the critical elements you work with in HubSpot, such as contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Our focus today is on managing subscriptions, so let's move forward. As you hover over the Objects section, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select Subscription. This option will take you to an area where you can oversee all aspects related to your email subscriptions. It's the central hub for managing how you communicate with your contacts through emails. Once you're in the subscription section, look for an option labeled Manage Property. This is where you can configure the properties related to your subscription preferences. By clicking on Manage Property, you'll have the ability to customize what options are available to your contacts when they visit your subscription preferences page. Now, you might be wondering, why is this important? Well, giving your audience the autonomy to choose their communication preferences not only respects their choices, but also optimizes the relevance of the content they receive. This means happier contacts and potentially higher engagement rates for your campaigns. While setting up these preferences, consider what types of emails you send out regularly. It could range from newsletters, promotional offers, or product updates. Clearly define these categories on your subscription page. This clarity will help contacts make informed decisions about what they're signing up for. As you configure these settings, keep in mind the tone and language you use. It should be consistent with your brand and easy for your contacts to understand. User-friendly language and a clean layout can make a world of difference in how your preferences page is perceived. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through creating a subscription preferences page in HubSpot. By following these steps, you ensure that your email communications are not only compliant, but also highly customized to your audience's needs. Remember, the more control you give your contacts over their communication preferences, the more likely they are to remain engaged and satisfied with your brand. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials for tips on effectively using HubSpot to enhance your marketing strategies. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.